Hey Beck,
Yeah, what's up?
do you want to learn how to make the easiest ice cream ever?
Oh my god, yes!
Cool. Okay, let's go.
Go.
Psst. Hey Matt, wake up. Matt, wake up.
What?
Do you want to learn the easiest way to make ice cream? It's really yummy.
Just put it on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Hello friends, this is what you need to make cookies and cream ice cream. 2 cups of cream, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 packet of Oreo cookies. Pour all the ingredients except for the cookies into the mixer and start to beat. Crush your cookies until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. Keep beating until soft peaks form. Add crushed cookies and fold into the mixture. Place into a freezer-proof container and place a layer of cling wrap on top of the ice cream to stop forming ice crystals. Freeze for at least 6 hours. There is no need to mix while it freezes. Scoop the ice cream and top with anything you wish or just leave it plain. If you enjoyed this recipe and would like to see other flavours, leave a comment down below on which flavour you would like to see next. I can do caramel swirl, vanilla, ambrosia, cookie dough, walnut maple, and coming soon, I'm trialling jelly tip. Thank you for watching and I would love to hear from you. Also thanks to Beck and Matt for being good sports at the start of this video.